Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the screen flickering while watching YouTube on a Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the browser you are using and select open file location. Copy this file path just like this. After that just close tab here and go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select browse. In here you just need to paste the path we copied and press enter. Select the browser.exe file and select add option. After adding your browser, select options and select high performance in this list and select OK option. And now you just need to close tab here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up your browser and click on the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side, you just need to scroll down and select reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults. Select this option and select the reset settings option. And after resetting the settings, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type choose a power plan. Click on open it. You just need to expand this show additional plans option and you just need to select high performance. After that, select change plan settings. Change advanced power settings. You just need to expand the PCI Express link state power management, expand it and set this setting to off and select apply and OK option. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to right click on the desktop and select show more options and select display settings. Just need to scroll down and select advanced display option. Choose a refresh rate. You just need to click on this drop down and you just need to select your monitor's refresh rate. In my case, my monitor refresh rate is 60, so I only have the 60 refresh rate option. If you buy the monitor like 120 fps or 160 fps, you just need to select your monitor's refresh rate over here. After that, just close tab here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.